guys, it's the David Squad. What are you guys up to? This is my new channel. Yeah, I know. Posted when I was supposed to be at school. A little late because I had to help my dad. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's walk. Beautiful, beautiful dog. Bossy. Say hi to the viewers. Yeah. Say hi. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm waiting for my aunt to come pick up me and my dad. Take my dad to work, take me to school. So, what are you guys up to? Dabs. This fidget spinner action, no. Grab my fidget spinner. This fidget spinner action, no. Hey, it's freezing cold out. I don't know why I'm wearing a tank top. But that National Guard life, though. Yeah, boy, yeet, 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 dab, yeet, dab, yeet, dab, 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 dab. It's cold. Yeah, what time is it? 9:35. Yo, make sure you guys, if you guys ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. If you guys like Logan Paul, go to loganpaul.com/shop. Get some Maverick merch. Link in the description. Goodbye. Just kidding, bro. Logan Paul is so lit, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. We're the Disney Channel flow. Yeah, Jake Paul left. He says he left. No, but they kicked him out of Disney. Berserk is actually still on TV. The show was so stupid. Like Jake Paul. Jake Paul, if you're watching this, what are you doing? Yeah, I watch some of your videos because you hang out with your brother. Yeah, he's older by 2. What are you doing? Go get a life. And you actually got married? It was a fake wedding. What are you doing? Yeah, that's how fake you are. You have to have a fake one. Yeah, you have this money, you have a fake Tesla, you have a fake Team 10 van, you have these fake cars, you have a fake mansion that your brother's probably paying for, not you. You have no money. What are you doing? Goodbye, Jake Paul. Logan Paul. The low gangsters are rising. Yeah, the Paul family are multipliers. What are you doing? Yeah, I quoted from your song. Beat Jake Paul. Yeah. Why'd you make that song about you? Because I don't like you. Because your brother is more famous than you. You ain't a movie star. Yeah. Go watch The Thinning. Do you have enough money to buy YouTube Red? Go on YouTube Red. Download YouTube Red. Watch The Thinning. That movie's lit. Logan Paul is so lit in that. He's actually working on The Thinning too. Rise of the New World. Yeah, what are you doing? Get a life. Do you watch Where's the Money? In that movie, he's awesome. You watch Baywatch? In that movie, he's awesome. But he's only in one scene. Has one line. Yeah. What now? You crying now? Exactly. Shut up. You suck. The low gangsters are way better than the Jake Pauls. I used to be a low gang Pauler. What are you talking about? I used to subscribe. Yeah. A whole bunch of people just unsubscribed from you. So what are you doing? You got 12 million.